Good morning mga ka-tribe. We thank God for this wonderful day. Today, we will show you how to make fried lumpia. And here are the ingredients. Minced chicken, onion, garlic, lumpia wrapper, green papaya, carrots, and the bean sprout that I made. Okay, I'll show you how to make this fried lumpia. First, we will put oil on the cooking pot. Then we will put the garlic. We'll saute the garlic. Now we will put the onion. Now we will put the minced chicken. So we're going to put the oyster sauce. Now we're going to put the vegetables. Now it's cooked, and we'll put it in a strainer so that it will drain, and we'll leave it for a while, and then we will wrap it with the lumpia wrapper. We have to wrap the filling that I cooked a while ago. Okay, now let's start putting the oil, and we will fry now the Okay, now let's start putting the oil, and let's start frying. Now, we're going to flip now. Okay. Okay, we're almost done cooking, mga ka-tribe. See, it's very tasty. Okay, almost done cooking, mga ka-tribe. I'm done cooking with the lumpia. Okay, then I have to make the sauce now. I will make the apple cider vinegar and then the garlic. The garlic is the one harvest. This is our garlic now. And then the apple cider is the one that I made. Okay, we will add now in the vinegar. And then we will add a little bit of salt. Okay. Ready to eat.
Gusto yung sample ko.
Okay, you eat now.
Hello! I'm eating Virgis fried lumpia. Like spring rolls. It's very good. It's delicious.
Okay.
And I'm dipping it with vinegar, with
More?
black pepper. That's good. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of black pepper, Virgis. Holy smoke. Yeah, and garlic. Boy, this is so good. She deep fry it.
Okay.
Awesome.
How many you
Now
want?
she's gonna give me some to take it home.
How many you want?
Yeah. Well,
You put it here.
how many you cook?
You put it here.
Yeah, she's not charging me. It's for free. Oh boy. It's good. Okay, let's eat.
It's yummy and crispy because
It's crunchy.
I just cooked. It's good you came.
Freshly cooked. It's not soggy yet.
That's our garlic too. The one that's our garlic.
From the garden too. Wow. It has a taste. It's not a blunt tasting garlic.
It's good.
You see, organic garlic from her garden too. Whoa.
Guys, napakasarap ng lumpia. Try to watch the full video para matutunan ninyo. Okay, thank you. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And please press the notification bell button so that you could be updated of our new uploaded videos. Salamat mga tribes, mabuhay tayong lahat. God loves you.